In this tutorial, I will explain how you can turn your photo into a watercolor painting. You can do so by using the free LunaPic web editor. To start off, make your way to the official website of LunaPic. If you can't find it, then you can click the link from the description box. Next, upload your photo to the editor. Once that is done, hover the mouse cursor over to the Art tab, and then right-click on Watercolor. Copy the link and then paste it to the address bar. You can then press Enter on the keyboard to apply the action. After the filter has been applied, you will be able to adjust its strength by using the slider at the top. If the photo is too big, you can click on the square in the slider and then scroll down. Afterwards, use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard. You then need to click the Adjust button. If you want the color to look more like the original, then you can click the Keep Your Colors box. To turn the photo into an animated GIF, click the Animate box. If you don't like the results, click the Undo link. Afterwards, paste the same link as before to the address bar, and then add a 2 to the end. This will apply the other watercolor effect to the photo. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click the Download Now link. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.